When in school the boys and girls would rest, but the rats in the graveyard would have a play recess. After dark the girls and boys would not play in the park, but the rats would have picnics and play in the dark. At the picnics the rats would feed the ghosts, and the rats would feed the bats. The ghosts, rats and bats would drink bug juice lemonade. Drink bug juice lemonade? Yes. 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 I kid you not. In rat drinks rats put things that stink. Flies and rat snot. Rat snot. Rat bug juice. The rats poured dishwashing soap in the stream, and to top it all off, to Antonio the brother of Toni, the rats were mean. Toni said, "Enough is enough. These rats must go to jail. And rats, for you there will be no bail. And rats, I tell you, you will fail, fail, fail." So Toni and her team of smart orange cats called the police, helped the police catch the rats. Now when you come to her school you will see everyone following the rules.
Hold it! Code 6, 105 North Avenue, 52. Holiday units, calling back unit on the Turbo 600 North Mont, 600 North Mont, Apartment 4, open 911. Any holiday units that do 994 Hold it!
Smart Toni with her all team of 14 smart cats helped the police get rid of the 13 mean rats. Toni and the smart cats helped the police to chase the cats out of town. Now the people in town always smile and never frown. Before the rats left, Toni and Antonio and the cats made the rats say, "Thank you." They all made the mean rats say, "Please." And Antonio, Toni's brother, the rats no longer tease. Antonio has grown stronger. Antonio has grown older and bolder. Antonio, a smart and a strong boy, and his transforming toy helped his sister Toni and cats get rid of the very, very mean rats. The head rat in charge, the HRIC, is in jail. The little rat in charge, the LRIC, is in jail too. HRIC, LRIC.
Hold it!
11825, code 6, 105 North Avenue, 52. Holiday units, any Hollenbeck unit on their trouble, 600 North Mont, 600 North Mont, apartment 4, open 911. Any Hollenbeck units that do 799457.
Hold it!
11825, code 6, 105 North Avenue, 52. Holiday units, any Hollenbeck unit on their trouble, 600 North Mont, 600 North Mont, apartment 4, open 911. Any Hollenbeck units that do 799457.
Hold it!
HRIC means head RAT in charge. LRIC means little rat in charge. HRIC is no longer a big rat. He is now a very little rat. The LRIC is now an even littler, tiny rat. When Toni and Antonio and the Smart Girl Cats team helped police run the rats out of town, no friends of HRIC and LRIC could be found. The friends of the rats got their coats and hats, and then those friends of the rats ran out of town. H.R.I.J, L.R.I.J.